So let us take the first question. The first question is about security. Phishing is the answer. And why is it a risk? What is phishing?
Because the user
What is phishing?
and the spam was before redirects to the website.
Don't say redirect. You get a spam mail or you get an email and then you follow the link. We follow the link, and as a it will take you to a website that will collect your personal data. And once it collects it, they can even misuse it, the people behind it, right? So when we take phishing, why is it is a risk? Because
The user's personal details
the user's personal details may be mis collected and misused. Okay.
or to minimize the risk, be careful not to respond to spam and
Yeah. So please write that down. And how do you minimize the risk?
be careful not to respond to spam
Okay.
and
Be careful
to leave personal data
not to
on
respond
our websites.
to spam and give personal data to unknown websites. Okay, that's fair enough.
Farming.
To unknown websites. Please write that down. So we'll write the answer, correct your answer, Sobir. This 2 is farming. And what is this? Why is it a risk? Because the users, uh, the user may enter sensitive data on a fake site. Example, logging in on a fake Gmail site. Then what will be the problem there? As a result, their details, software, will be stolen and misused. Right, how to minimize the errors, the
Do
risks?
not open unknown email.
No. No, this has got nothing to do with mails coming to your computer. Phishing is when someone, your example, you're going and typing, go to Scobotic, but it is going to yahoo.com or going to Google or going to YouTube, right? Or it will go to a website that looks like Scobotic, but it is not Scobotic. It will be robotics. Now you think uh, this is Scobotic, and it's asking username and password. You will type your username and password, and later you will see it's not what you wanted. Then you will close everything and you will try again,
But they have the name password.
because you gave it to them in that wrong website. That's only phishing. That's only farming, where you are taken to a different area, fake website. Uh, how do you minimize it? Now, why did it happen? Either because Scobotics people, they have a website, they have a web server. Their web server, something has gone wrong. Somebody has changed their DNS setting. Otherwise, you have something dangerous on the computer. Like you have installed a game thinking it's a good game, but that game is actually a dangerous program. It is redirecting you from there to another location. How to minimize the web server administrators must use strong. Sorry, have you written this? No. Passwords. That's one. If you're talking about the user going to do that, then we can say the user has to often check if their computers check their computers for malware. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, so I will go with hacking. Okay, why is it a risk?
They illegally gain access to a computer or steal information and delete the important files.
Okay,
So how to minimize this by
but wait, now it is more like a definition. Uh, by hacking, you will say that um, someone will get illegal access to the computer and therefore delete files or steal the data, something like that. Okay, so a hacker may uh, gain access to the system and uh, either delete files or modify, access, get access to the user's data, to the user's data. Okay, please write that answer. Okay, how to minimize the risk?
strong passwords.
Without looking at that, you can't tell. So by using strong passwords, which include a combination of letters, digits, and symbols. Okay, please write that down. Can we move on? Next question. Question number 2. 7 computer terms and 7 descriptions are shown. Draw a line to link each computer term to its most appropriate description. Okay. Reduction of file size by permanently removing some redundant information. Lossy compression.
This one 9% I even
90.
99.
Lossy compression. Okay. Then
I didn't know this haircut.
file compression format designed to make photo files smaller for storage and for transmission. Photos, a file compression format to make photo files smaller for storage and transmission. Yeah, we can take JPEG.
That was only a haircut.
Okay. Next one. File compression for music does not noticeably affect the quality. That's MP3.
MP3 format.
MP3. Hardware component allows user to communicate with the computer operating system. Hardware allowing the computer to communicate with the
Interface.
computer operating system. Yes. Hardware interface. File is used. The file is used. The file is reduced in size for transmission and storage, then brought back again later, producing file identical to, that is lossless compression. Signal sent to processor which may cause a break in execution of the current routine. That's interrupt. Do we have interrupt anywhere? Yes. Signal to the processor to break the current routine. That's interrupt.
M.I.Z.
Standard adopted by electronic music industry for controlling devices such as synthesizers and sound cards. Musical instrument digital interface. I hope that was easy to read. Can we go to the next question? Flowchart on the opposite page shows what happens when the barcode on a product is scanned at the checkout in a supermarket. Barcodes are used in automatic stock control systems. Several of the statements in the flowchart are missing. Add flag to product record indicate the record number. Add flag to product record to indicate reorder made. Any more barcodes to scan? Has the scan barcode been found in the file? Has the reorder flag already been added to the product record? Is the number of products in stock less than equivalent quantity reduced by 1? Output an error, and automatically send out for new product. Okay. Okay, you guys try it first, and I'll give you 2 minutes. We'll read like this. I find it difficult to read both pages. I'll have to open another copy of the thing. So tell me the answers, and then I'll compare the table later on. Okay, so this box over here, what should come?
3. Check.
This is 3. Barcode is going to be scanned. Barcode on product is scanned, and then we come to barcode is looked up in stock table. Okay, and then number 3 is, what is number 3?
Has the scan barcode been found?
Been what?
Has the scan barcode been found?
Okay, then this, if it's not, then what is this? 7. What does it say?
Output an error message.
Output an error message, and then
2.
what is 2?
2 is any more barcode to scan.
Okay, right. And we come back to this one. Yes.
6.
What is 6?
6 is number of products in stock is reduced by 1.
Then
5.
What is that?
5 is the number of data that's not less than or equal to reorder level.
What is 4? Camilo says 4.
That's the reorder flag already been added to the
So doesn't a flag be if don't you put a flag only if the reorder level is reached? So don't you have to check if it's reached first?
Yes, correct. So if it is yes, then you will continue to the next decision box 4 here, which is has the order being set. No means we need to add flag number 1 and automatically send number 8. Is that correct? Yes. Sabir, where is your answer for this? 5418. Then on the top, 2 and 7. Okay, good. Abdul Basit, did you get it? Okay, let's go to the next question then. Convert the following two hexadecimal numbers into binary. So we put the values, place values 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Now f is going to be 15, right? This is 15. So for that, it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. A is going to be 10. A is 10. So that will be 1, 0, 1, 0. 7 is 1, 1, 1. Then D is A, B, C, D, 10, 11, 12, 13. So D is 13. And 13 is 12 and 13. And 3 is 1, 1. And E will be 14. So 14 is 10, 12, 8, 12, and 14. Okay. Now perform AND operation on each corresponding pair of bits. So 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1, 0, 1. 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1. All got that? Okay. Convert the part into the last one to hexadecimal back again. So hexadecimal. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. This is 6. This is 2. This is, we have this here on top also, D. So it's D26. No, it's base 16 hexadecimal. We go to the next question. The following code shows HTML tag pairs on their side of the text stating the color, right? So red, green, and blue, we have done this. That is just to understand this, out of this hexadecimal pair, hexadecimal color code, the first two are for the red, Second two are for the green, and the last two are for the blue.
What is magenta?
Red, green, blue. Magenta is a color. Right. So red, green, and blue are the three pairs. Okay. Now, the last, so they have two sets of colors given, and they are then given some rules. Then they are saying yellow is a combination of red and green. So putting red and green, you get yellow. Magenta is taken with red and blue. Red and blue is magenta. Okay. State what hexadecimal values would replace X, Y, and so. Yellow means red and green. Then, so it's red, green, and blue. Then FF, again FF, 0, 0. Because this is for red, this is for green. That gives yellow. Then red and blue make magenta, a combination of red and blue. So red, no green, and blue. So red and green make yellow, red and blue make magenta. And cyan is a combination of green and blue. So that means no red,
0, 0, F, 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 F.
FF. That is the cyan. Green and blue is that one. If someone asks something, no. Did someone say something? No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please write those answers. Now they are saying the next question. Describe how other colors such as a darker shade of blue are created. Okay. Naphtali, do you know the answer? No answer. Tremiro, do you know the answer? Can you say it to us?
Sir,
Yes?
by using a series of hexadecimal numbers,
All this is a series of hexadecimal numbers.
like if you want it for that specific, if you want dark blue, then you can darker shade of blue, then you can use um, a different combination of numbers.
How? What is the combination of numbers? What is the code for blue?
0, 0, 0.
For blue, it's 0000FF.
Okay.
For
Now
dark blue,
I want dark blue.
0, 0.
I'll make it a little darker. How do I do that?
By by reducing from 256. Sir, you should the binary digits where like a darker shade of blue. You should reduce it from FF to from 256. You should reduce it from 255 or 254 like that, sir.
So give me the answer. I want a little darker blue. What? Give me an example of a darker blue.
Anything?
00 0000
How
2.
many zeros are coming?
Sir, in place of the F, you can write 128 and 128.
Good try, but it did not give me the exact answer. Yes, Abir.
For dark blue, you can write 0. What is the combination of blue? 1 minute.
Now this is light blue.
0, 0, FF, FF.
FF. Why?
Dark blue.
No.
Sir, you can use 0000FE.
Now the color gets smaller. Now FE is smaller. Then EE is smaller. AA is smaller. 99 is smaller. 55 is smaller. So the numbers are coming downwards. Tremino said 128. 128 is binary. We want it in hexadecimal. right? Tremina, you better get your audio settings checked out, otherwise it's going to be a problem. Um, you won't be heard properly. Okay. So 0000EE, that's what happens, or 55. Now, describe how the, see, Sabir said 00FFFF. If you put FFFF according to their rule, it's going to give you cyan. Cyan. We don't want cyan. We want blue to reduce.
You want it to be lighter blue, very light blue.
Light blue.
Either dark blue.
Not light, dark blue. You want to reduce means the blue gets darker and darker. Okay. Now,
Sir?
yeah,
Sir, the darker shade of blue would be FF, right?
no, light blue is F. As the number goes up, it gets lighter. That's why all F's, FF, FF, FF is white, and all zeros is black. All small numbers are black. As the number gets bigger, it gets lighter. Abdul Basit, are you following? Okay. So how the colors such as, okay,
You read it to the
use a smaller value for the color or colors you want to make darker. Example, for darker blue, use 88 instead, 88 instead of FF. Okay, are we done writing? Can we go to the next question? 1A16 is an example of a MAC address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Identify the first 6 hexadecimal digits, what they represent. So they represent the manufacturer code. So every manufacturer has a unique ID. Last 6. It is a unique value to the network interface card, which represents the serial number of the NIC. Why are MAC addresses used? To uniquely identify the networking device where it is used. Somebody said identify device over network. Okay. But don't mention internet, okay? Okay, class, that will be it for today. Hopefully we can work this out and do something here. It's not so bad, honestly. I mean, a lot of work goes into making this stuff. Okay, so that will be it for today. And yeah, that will be it. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.